What's up mga DIYers? Today I'm gonna show you kung paano mag hand buffing versus machine buffing gamit ang paborito kong combination from MTX Supramax Compound and MTX Supra Gloss Polish. We also have this full pad and the sponge pad and also a microfiber towel at ang ating machine and see if we can get a professional result just like this. So we will test both methods and let's find out kung alin ang mas effective, mas practical at mas sulit para sa ating mga DIYers. So on this side of the hood, unahin natin ang machine buffing. Gamitin natin ang full pad at ang Microtex Supramax Compound. So i-apply natin ang compound sa ating wool pad at isaturate ito. And lightly itap natin sa hood ng sasakyan ang ating wool pad. So let's start using our machine, set the speed to 5,000 RPM, and we will do overlapping passes just to be sure that every square inch of our work area ay mababuff natin ng tama. And another tip, hindi mo kailangan todo diin sa paggamit ng machine. Hayaan mo lang ang machine na gumawa ng trabaho mo dahil kapag sobrang diin ang ginawa natin sa machine, hindi ito mag-work ng tama. And potentially, baka masira pa natin lalo ang paint kahit dual action polisher pa ang gamit natin. So bottom line, gaan lang ang hawak dahil ang goal here is to remove the light oxidation, swirls, and imperfections lang na naipon over the years. So in this method, prepare natin ang ating paint for polishing stage, which is our next step. So punasan natin ang hood ng sasakyan gamit ang ating microfiber towel and be sure na walang may iwan na residue. Using the Supramax compound plus one-step machine buffing, ito na ang resulta. Mapapansin natin sa untreated area, nakita pa rin ng spider web or hologram. Comparing sa ating treated area, nakita na agad ang improvement at gumanda na ang kondisyon ng pintura. So this time we're gonna polish the car using our foam pad and of course ang Supra Gloss MTX polish. So compare sa MTX compound, meron itong light abrasives na perfect to restore the gloss and depth ng pintura. So itap natin sa hood ulit ang product and iset sa low speed or speed 1 ng machine at ikalat natin sa area na ipapolish natin. For polishing, iset natin sa speed 4 ang ating machine. At same sa compounding method natin, gagamitin din natin ng overlapping passes. And remember, compound removes defects, polish brings the shine. And again, sa pagpolish gamit ang ating machine, always remember na light lang ang pressure na ibibigay natin para hindi natin masyado masunog ang top coat. And now punasan natin ito ng ating microfiber towel, but this time use a new set para maiwasan natin ang chemical contamination. So after few minutes of polishing, ito na ang resulta. Deep gloss at parang bagong labas na sa kasa. And now that we know the result using the machine, i-tape naman natin ang small area ng hood at ngayon naman subukan natin ang hand buffing. So using the Supramax compound, i-apply natin ito directly sa ating microfiber towel. So kung sa machine, kailangan light lang tayo, this time we will do a firm circular motion and work sa ating small area. So ang goal natin dito is to simulate kung paano yung motion na ginagawa ng ating machine. Like most car owners sa ating garage, wala naman tayong access sa machine polisher. So tignan natin kung gaano ito ka-epektibo. Obviously sa ganitong paraan, mas maraming papawis sa mga gamit natin dito. So tiyagayin lang natin guys and let's see kung gaano ka-effective ito gamit lang ang ating kamay. I-wipe natin ng microfiber towel. And so far may nakikita na tayong resulta. Para puliduhin yan, kumuha tayo ng bagong microfiber towel at gagamitin na natin ng MTX Supra Gloss this time for polishing. So same trick, small amount at i-spread natin ito evenly sa ating work area. And again, this time we will use the circular motion with firm pressure and we will follow the overlapping passes na kagaya na sa machine. At matapos sa maraming papawis at nakakangawit na motion, ito na nga ang resulta. So in this side, ito yung mayroong hologram, untreated area, and ito yung sa hand buffing gamit ang ating microfiber towel, and sa right side, ito yung machine buffing. So far, so good. So if it's worth doing, of course, it's worth overdoing. So gawin natin ito sa kalahating hood using our same hand buffing technique na ginamit natin kanina. Same process, compound first, then i-wipe natin ang excess compound gamit ang ating microfiber towel. And of course, let's polish it after that gamit ang MTX polish, and let's see if it can handle larger areas this time. At ito na nga ang resulta ng ating pinaghirapan. I'm actually super happy with the result. Malinis, glossy at respectable result ito for a hand buffing job. And yes, mas matagal ito at nakakapagod, pero kayang-kaya kumuha ng professional na resulta. Ngayon, tanggalin natin ang tape para makita natin ang diferensya. So sa gitna, makikita natin ang hologram, which is the untreated area. Sa left side, ang hand buffing job na ginawa natin. Sa right side naman, gamit ang machine. So ang conclusion, this clearly shows what each method can and cannot do. Machine buffing is best for speed consistency and pro level finish. Pero sa hand buffing naman, practical if you're on a budget, working on small areas, and very ideal to sa mga weekend DIYers natin na walang access sa mga mamahaling machine. Ang mahalaga dito is technique, patience, and of course the right product combination. I hope you learned something today. If you're into DIY detailing, budget car care, and car flipping projects, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. See you sa next video and maraming salamat!